Hello, today we'll be fitting new coil springs to a Golf MK5 2004. As you can see, the springs have clearly sagged and I imagine snapped off, replacing them with these Kilen springs now. So first things first, I'm going to crack the wheel nuts with my gun. So we want it on reverse. And I think we'll probably find they're on too tight. So I suspected these are bound on too tight. So we'll get the breaker bar and we'll apply a bit of pressure. So we'll make sure that's on nice and straight. Quite hard on one hand. But then we will stand on it. And it's as easy as that. So get these cracked off and then use the gun once in the air. So we're going to jack the car up from the jacking point, which you may or may not be able to see, which is just there. Get this jacked up. Now it is worth adding that your car needs to be in gear so it don't roll off. And then we're going to put a jack stand under here just to keep it secure. So the wheel's now off. As you can see, that's shagged. There's bits of spring just chilling in there. Yeah, that's fucked. So for the next part, you'll need 18mm socket, an 18mm spanner, and then you're going to get one end on there, and it's either really corroded or it's a 19. Yeah, it's just really corroded. Get that on there, whiz it off. Right then, so let's get the new spring in. So we have got a little rubber cap that sits on that, and it sits in there. So let's get the cap on. So that just sits in there like that. See if we can guide your own one-handed. Nope, I have to cut here. And this is what it looks like once the spring's on. Perfectly doable for the home mechanic. I did have to get a second jack to get underneath that arm where the cup is, because that's crap and I couldn't handle it. You see I've got a Monroe shock on there. Did them a couple of months ago. I've got a video to upload in relation to that. But now back on with the wheel. And the proof's in the pudding, folks. That looks 1,000 times better. Excellent.